Growing up and knowing I was different, if anything, the autism did just the opposite. It actually prevented me from knowing I was different. Any person needs to be careful about what types of friends they have and the type of people they associate with. But as someone with a communication disorder like autism, you are so much more vulnerable than the average person to just the whole social machinations of high school and of these different cliques that form. It's almost like watching a comedy movie, how separated these cliques stay. Such a complicated environment to try to learn. There's kind of this permanent conditioned fear in the back of my mind that no matter what I've said, it's the wrong thing. My medication's upstairs. I'm actually quite drained quite a lot of the time because I take quite a selection of medications. As someone who has gone through a lot of the different types of stresses and traumas that I've gone through, I am on just a whole plethora of stress reducing and anxiety reducing and depression reducing medications. They do take a toll on you, so just functioning every day, being medicated this way isn't always easy. I was very kind of insulated from what traditional social expectations were. I remember as a kid, I liked boys, and I thought that was normal. For the longest time, I didn't even know what gay was. I didn't even know there was a term that could be attached to that. I thought it was just a normal variation of human love and emotion, and that's just how I was. Punching, kicking, hitting, pushing, shoving. With all this bullying, I was depressed. I became suicidal. I didn't know what to do. I'm 17 years old and I have a variety of disorders, including Asperger's, ADHD, epilepsy, Tourette's syndrome, trichotillomania, just a whole slew of different things. What we want more than anything else is just to be accepted by society and to have friends and to have normal relationships and to have normal life. It's important never to forget who I was when you shot those interviews of me 4 years ago. All those difficulties, those traumas, those challenges. The statistics say I am one of the few, I am in the very lucky minority who has managed to be so successful. How many more people are there like me who fell through the cracks? It was the fact that I had a group of people who listened to me, a group of people I could speak to, a group of people who empathized with and understood me. How do you get people to care? And I think that's one of the things that makes HeartSpeak so important. It's getting those stories out there and showing people these are human beings who need help.